You're in Paris. And you're still lost. Expensive guided tours. Fixed schedules. A stranger rushing you past the very things you came to feel. What if Paris whispered its secrets directly into your ears, on your terms, at your pace, for just $6? Uvamai's Paris self-guided audio tour gives you an interactive map, professional audio guides for every major landmark, and the freedom to wander whenever and wherever your heart takes you. No group. No guide. No rush. From the iron wonder of the Eiffel Tower to the haunting beauty of Notre-Dame. Through the grand halls of the Louvre to the sacred steps of Sacré-Cœur. Discover the hidden alleyways of Montmartre, the romance of Pont des Arts, the secrets of Sainte-Chapelle. Paris has always had stories. Now you'll actually hear them. Nearly 14,000 travelers from 42 countries have explored the world with Uvamai since 2012. Real people. Real cities. Real stories, not rehearsed scripts. Get your Paris audio tour for just $6 at uvamai.com. Link in bio. Don't walk through Paris in silence.